Okay, if you are an athlete, should you be avoiding sugar? Should you be avoiding anything processed? Oh, there's never a clear-cut answer. It's not black or white. My answer would be maybe. Maybe, depending upon your sport, depending upon your sport specific requirements, depending upon your goals. It just really depends. And so I would need to sit down and meet you and understand, are you a football player? Are you cross country? Are you gymnast? Are you a diver? Are you a softball player? Are you a baseball player? And so typically the answer is yes. Yes, you can have candy and soda and be a very high powered athlete. Now, if you were training for the Olympics, would you want to have your nutrient intake dialed in? Absolutely. And a lot of times when I'm working with high powered athletes, the timing of nutrient intake is a whole nother layer. We want to understand the dose of your macronutrients and the timing and the quality and the type. And that means you're 1 to 2% even less of the population that is either being paid for your sport as a vocation, or this is something that is very extreme, very professional. So yes, we want to pay attention to the types of sugars / carbohydrates that you're eating and when. For the average bear, you're able to have some sugar and enjoy your lifestyle. Now, if you're active, this is where I'm talking with people who are active. If you're not active and there's a lot of inactivity happening, we are going to want to pay attention to how much you're eating, because that can contribute to health outcomes that are not ideal. But it doesn't make that food bad or good. Is this actually helping my lifestyle? Probably not. But it might be for a minute, because that might be the thing that is creating some motivation in the day. Okay, well, let's include it in a balanced way and not an extreme way or an avoidant way or an emotion numbing way. And so there's ways that you can design that very strategically. Hope this helps, and like, subscribe, and follow along. Okay, bye.